Welcome to the future of Oracle Enterprise Performance Management. In 2026, the role of EPM implementation architects and functional leads is undergoing a dramatic transformation. No longer are these professionals just system configurators, they are becoming orchestrators of intelligent, automated finance ecosystems. The days of relying on complex custom scripts and rigid, backward-looking processes are fading. Instead, the focus is on agility, intelligence, and business value. This video will guide you through the new mandates, technical frameworks, and mindset shifts required to thrive in this evolving landscape. Let's explore what it means to lead in the era of algorithmic, close, and intelligent planning. Expectations for Oracle Cloud EPM have changed. Customers now demand more than just a stable system of record. They want a system of intelligence. Embedded AI, machine learning, and intelligent automation are at the core of this shift. These technologies uncover hidden patterns, automate reconciliations, and forecast operational realities in real time. For EPM professionals, this means pivoting from technical configuration to architecting business value. The journey ahead will require mastering new frameworks, leveraging native features, and embracing emerging methodologies for both financial consolidation and closed cloud and planning and budgeting cloud. Legacy Hyperion-era design patterns, like overly complex calculation scripts, rigid procedural allocations, and backward-looking data forms, are now seen as obstacles to agility. These approaches slow down processes and limit the ability to respond to changing business needs. In 2026, successful EPM leaders must recognize and move away from these outdated methods. The focus is on creating flexible, automated, and intelligent systems that adapt to real-time data and evolving requirements. This shift is essential for maximizing the value delivered to clients and maintaining relevance in a rapidly changing environment. Remain relevant, EPM professionals must evolve. The new mandate is clear: move from being technical configurators to business value architects. This means understanding not just the technology but also the business drivers and outcomes. It's about orchestrating solutions that leverage AI, automation, and predictive analytics to deliver actionable insights and drive strategic decisions. The following sections will break down the technical frameworks, native features, and methodologies that are now essential for success in Oracle EPM's financial consolidation and planning modules. Start with financial consolidation in closed cloud, or FCCS. Traditionally, the corporate close was a linear historical process heavily reliant on human intervention to spot anomalies. In 2026, the strategic imperative is to move toward a continuous, zero-day close powered by exceptions-based processing. This means automating routine tasks and only involving humans when anomalies are detected. The result is faster, more accurate closes and a significant reduction in manual effort. FCCS architects, the mindset must shift from designing passive aggregators to building intelligent validation engines. Instead of configuring endless manual checklists, architects now design automated pipelines that execute, validate, and sign off on close tasks. Human intervention is only required when an anomaly score crosses a specific threshold. This approach not only increases efficiency, but also ensures that attention is focused where it's truly needed. Core feature in the 2026 FCCS architecture is the Oracle Cloud EPM Integration Agent and EPM pipeline. The old model of manual file uploads and basic scheduled batches is being replaced by event-driven data pipelines. When a source ERP system completes a subledger run, an automated pipeline ingests the data, runs validation rules, and invokes out-of-the-box reconciliation or consolidation processes. Machine learning-based anomaly detection scripts flag unusual transactions before they even enter the FCCS system, ensuring data quality and reducing risk. Integration of AI into data pipelines is a game changer. As soon as data is ingested, machine learning models analyze it for anomalies such as unusual debit or credit pairings. If something looks off, the system flags it before it ever hits the main FCCS input member. This proactive approach not only speeds up the close process but also enhances accuracy and compliance. Architects must be comfortable deploying and maintaining these ML-based scripts as part of their core toolkit. Historically, architects relied on heavy custom calculation scripts for complex consolidations. In 2026, this is considered an anti-pattern. Instead, the focus is on leveraging native FCCS features like automated intercompany eliminations and equity pickup. Intelligent process automation dynamically monitors intercompany mismatches. If a mismatch falls within an AI-calculated threshold, the system auto-balances and moves forward, no human approval needed. This shift reduces manual intervention and increases the reliability of the close process. Count reconciliation is another area transformed by automation. The native integration between TRCS and FCCS allows for continuous intramonth transaction matching. Machine learning rules in TRCS automatically reconcile millions of transactions, such as point-of-sale data against bank statements. FCCS Task Manager can monitor reconciliation status via API and automatically release downstream consolidation tasks when items are reconciled. This approach streamlines the close and ensures that exceptions are handled promptly. Consider a global retail conglomerate with hundreds of intercompany transactions. In the past, functional leads would manually review discrepancies and post adjusting journals. In 2026, an automated intramonth data pipeline analyzes transactions as they occur. Machine learning models trained on historical data identify known timing differences and automatically tag and process them. Only high-risk, anomalous variances require human review. This exception-driven approach ensures speed, accuracy, and scalability in the close process. This new model, if a machine learning engine determines with high confidence that a variance is due to a known issue, like goods in transit, it automatically tags the variance, attaches a system-generated note, and triggers the elimination routine in FCCS. The functional lead only steps in if the variance is flagged as an outlier. This not only accelerates the close, but also ensures that human expertise is focused on the most critical exception. Shifting to planning and budgeting cloud, traditional FP&A processes are often bottlenecked by manual data entry, politics, and spreadsheets disguised as cloud forms. In 2026, the priority is to dismantle these manual cycles and replace them with algorithmic, driver-based predictive planning. The goal is to empower planners to audit, adjust, and approve variations generated by machine learning algorithms, rather than manually entering numbers. The new paradigm, planners are no longer data entry clerks. Their primary role is to audit, adjust, and approve forecasts generated by machine learning models. This shift allows organizations to leverage the power of AI for more accurate and timely planning, while still retaining human oversight for critical decisions. Architects must design systems that support this new workflow, ensuring that planners have the tools and insights they need to make informed adjustment. Architects must master the convergence of financial dimensions with operational big data. This means integrating data from across the enterprise, finance, operations, sales, and more to provide a holistic view of performance. By leveraging AI and automation, organizations can break down silos and create unified, actionable insights that drive better decision-making at every level. Predictive planning and intelligent performance management, IPM, are now foundational features. IPM Insights is no longer just a dashboard, it's the starting point of the planning cycle. AutoPredict runs automatically at the close of each financial period, populating forecast scenarios with statistically sound projections. The system analyzes historical data, detects outliers, and presents planners with a pre-populated baseline and variance analysis. This streamlines the planning process and improves forecast accuracy. AI-driven forecasting, the system silently analyzes historical data using advanced statistical models, like ARIMA, damp trend, and seasonal analysis. It automatically detects outliers, shifts in trends, and missing data points. Planners receive a forecast baseline and a detailed variance analysis, explaining exactly why the algorithm expects a change. This transparency builds trust in the system and empowers planners to make informed decisions. For advanced clients, native statistical forecasting may not be enough. Oracle Planning allows architects to import external machine learning models developed in Python or R using PMML. Groovy scripts can pass real-time values from data forms into these models, which process both internal and external variables, like inflation rates or commodity indexes, and instantly return optimized plans. This flexibility enables organizations to incorporate sophisticated analytics tailored to their unique needs. Strategic modeling, formerly known as ALMARIS, is now seamlessly integrated with short-term planning. Automated data maps and smart push connect long-term and short-term plans. Generative AI features and scenario managers run hundreds of Monte Carlo simulations in the background, alerting executives when operational trends indicate a high probability of breaching key targets. This continuous simulation approach provides early warnings and supports proactive decision-making. Imagine a global manufacturing firm managing volatile supply chains. In the past, sales reps manually entered forecasts and custom scripts calculated revenue. In 2026, an external ML model evaluates macroeconomic indicators, historical shipments, and marketing spend. This model is uploaded into Oracle Planning, and the system automatically calculates a baseline target. If a planner tries to overwrite a revenue cell by more than 5% from the ML baseline, a Groovy script requires a justification code and instantly pushes the change to all relevant cubes. This keeps the entire enterprise aligned and accountable. Smart Push, any approved changes in the forecast are instantly cascaded to operational workforce and capital expense cubes. This ensures that all departments are working from the same up-to-date plan. By automating these data flows, organizations can respond quickly to changes and maintain alignment across the enterprise. This is a key advantage of the modern Oracle EPM architecture. The ability to make real-time planning adjustments is a hallmark of the 2026 EPM environment. When a planner makes a significant change, the system not only requires justification, but also ensures that the adjustment is reflected instantly across all related planning modules. This level of integration and automation supports agile decision-making and helps organizations stay ahead of market shifts. To deliver these modern architectures, EPM professionals must expand their technical skill sets. Mastery of Groovy scripting is now essential, not just for formatting cells, but for executing dynamic data movements, invoking external APIs, and running real-time validations. REST API orchestration replaces old-school batch processing, enabling real-time event-driven data flows between Oracle Cloud ERP, external data lakes, and the EPM ecosystem. Groovy scripting is no longer optional. It's the programmatic bridge that enables dynamic models, real-time data movements, and integration with external systems. EPM architects must be proficient in Groovy to automate complex workflows, validate data before it enters the database, and orchestrate end-to-end processes. This skill is now a core requirement for delivering value in Oracle EPM. REST APIs are the backbone of modern EPM integration. Architects must move away from manual batch scripts and embrace real-time event-driven orchestration. By leveraging Oracle Cloud EPM REST APIs, data can flow seamlessly between ERP systems, external data lakes, and the EPM environment. This enables faster, more reliable processes and supports the automation of complex workflows. While functional leads don't need to become data scientists, they must understand key concepts like linear regression, confidence intervals, and model accuracy metrics. This literacy enables them to evaluate machine learning models, interpret predictions, and communicate effectively with data science teams. It's a critical skill for ensuring that AI-driven solutions deliver real business value. 2026 EPM Skill Matrix highlights the shift from traditional skills, like manual scripting and Excel reconciliations, to emerging competencies such as EPM pipelines, groovy scripting, IPM insights, and connected enterprise planning. Siloed functional design is being replaced by integrated, cross-functional approaches. To succeed, EPM professionals must continuously update their skills and embrace new technologies. True differentiator in a successful Oracle EPM implementation is no longer the software itself, but the vision and expertise of the implementation architect and functional lead. By adopting automated exception-driven approaches in FCCS and building algorithmic predictive models in PBCS, you can transform finance departments from historical reporters into strategic advisors. This maximizes the return on cloud investments and solidifies your role as a forward-thinking leader. FCCS, automation and exception-driven processing are the new standards. By embedding native IPM insights, groovy automation, and event-driven data pipelines, architects can create systems that handle routine tasks automatically and escalate only the most critical exceptions. This approach not only improves efficiency, but also enhances the quality and reliability of financial closes. Automation is at the heart of the 2026 EPM transformation. By automating routine tasks, organizations can reduce errors, save time, and free up resources for higher-value work. EPM professionals must identify opportunities for automation and implement solutions that deliver measurable benefits. Planning and budgeting cloud, predictive models powered by AI and machine learning are at the heart of the planning process. These models generate forecasts, detect trends, and provide actionable insights. Planners are empowered to focus on high-value activities, like analyzing variances and making strategic adjustments, rather than manual data entry. This shift drives better business outcomes and supports continuous improvement. Maintain a competitive edge and drive maximum client value in 2026. EPM architects and functional leads must transition from static configuration models to dynamic, exception-driven systems of intelligence. This is achieved by embedding native IPM insights, groovy automation, and event-driven data pipelines into every FCCS and PBCS implementation. The mandate is clear: embrace automation, intelligence, and agility. Intelligence is now embedded at every layer of the Oracle EPM suite. From automated data pipelines to AI-driven forecasting and exception management, the system is designed to support proactive, data-driven decision-making. Architects and functional leads must ensure that these capabilities are fully leveraged in every implementation, delivering maximum value to clients. The ultimate goal of these changes is to drive strategic value for the organization. By automating routine tasks, leveraging predictive analytics, and focusing human expertise on high-impact decisions, EPM professionals can help their organizations achieve better outcomes faster. This is the essence of the 2026 EPM mandate. Empowering business users is a central theme of the 2026 EPM mandate. By providing intuitive tools, automated insights, and self-service capabilities, EPM professionals enable users to make better decisions faster. This democratization of analytics is key to building a more agile and responsive organization. Journey to intelligent, automated EPM is ongoing. As technology continues to evolve, so too must the skills, processes, and mindsets of EPM professionals. By embracing change, fostering collaboration, and focusing on strategic value, you can lead your organization into the future of performance management. AI and machine learning are no longer futuristic concepts. They're practical tools that deliver real value today. From anomaly detection in FCCS to predictive planning in PBCS, these technologies are transforming how organizations manage performance. EPM professionals must stay current with the latest advancements and ensure that their solutions are leveraging AI to its fullest potential. Summary: the 2026 mandate for Oracle EPM architects and functional leads is clear. Move beyond configuration to orchestration, leverage AI and automation, and deliver strategic business value. By mastering new technologies, fostering collaboration, and driving continuous improvement, you can position yourself and your organization as leaders in the next era of enterprise performance management. The future is intelligent, automated, and agile. Are you ready? Thanks for watching.